Hello fam, welcome back and welcome back to our channel. Today I share with you how to make this mouth-watering delicious cheese beef wrap that you will love to try just immediately. Just continue watching and of course trust the process. Alright, let's begin. First, we need to get our beef ready. So in a clean pan, go in with your vegetable oil and then go in with your minced beef. Use your spoon to break it just like this. Some parts are still blocked, but not to worry, it will get dissolved with time. Just keep frying. If you notice, we'll add some salt. Give it a nice stir and continue frying until it turns golden brown. Let me use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all my newest and returning subscribers. Guys, your girl is very grateful. Thank you for your massive love and support. Honestly, I am motivated by your likes, your shares, and comments. So guys, let's keep it coming, okay? Thank you guys. God bless you all. So guys, let's continue. All right, we are still frying our beef, and at this point, guys, once it turns this brown, go in with the rest of the ingredients, which is the onions, some garlic powder, some dry thyme, and now go in with some paprika, paprika powder, some curry powder, and give it a nice stir. Stir to well combine, okay? And if this is your first time meeting my video, you are welcome to Oma Sport. This channel is all about cooking. In fact, everything edible basically. So if you're looking for a way to up your game when it comes to cooking, baking, and lots more, you are at the right place. This channel is for you. So you go ahead and hit that subscription button. Turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post new video, okay? Guys, we just added some seasoning. And now we are nicely stirring it. All right, guys, moving on to the next one. Introduce your peppers. Guys, these peppers are very hot. Yeah, it is not your regular bell peppers. If you do not have hot peppers like this one that I'm using, you can as well use any chili of your choice, provided it gave it some hotness, or you can as well skip it if you do not want your food spicy. Okay? All right, once you've added your peppers, give it a nice stir. And at this point, guys, beef is almost set. Oh my, guys, it is looking nice. And have you liked this video? Please do. It is free. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, okay? All right, guys, take it off the heat. Now, moving on to the next step. In a clean bowl, go in with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, or you can increase just to your taste. Next is mustard sauce, 2 teaspoons of it. Now go in with some black peppers. Next, guys, squeeze in some little amount of lemon juice. Now loosen it up with some liquid milk and give it a nice stir. You can use your whisk if you do not want to make use of spoon. So you continue stirring until it is smooth, okay? Please, guys, feel free to ask your question. Yes, you can leave it in the comment section, and I promise you I will attend to it. All right, guys, at this point, we are done mixing. So you go ahead and set it aside. Moving on to the next one. In a clean bowl, go in with your lettuce, followed by your red cabbage. Now, go in with your diced or sliced carrots. Go on and add in your diced onions. Go in with some black peppers. Now, drizzle in some little amount of lemon juice. Now, you go ahead and mix them, okay? Until they are well combined. Keep going. Just make sure it is well mixed, okay? You can add more veggies, more vegetables of your choice, yes. At this point, guys, we are done. So you set it aside. Next up, guys. Now, get your tortilla wrap or your shawarma wrap. Go in with your mixed cream, followed by your tasty fried beef. Oh my, it's looking good, guys. So layer it just this way. Next is your cheese. Top in some mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Just like this, guys. Now go in with your mixed vegetables. Afterwards, you go on and wrap it up. Just like this, guys. Handle it with care. If you can get shawarma wrap, that will be nice because it is wider and stronger. Done, guys. Next one, get your tortilla wrap, your cream, your tasty beef, and your veggies. Add some cheese, and then wrap it up, okay? I'm just being careful. This tortilla wrap, the one I'm using here, is not that strong. So I'm just doing it, handling it with care. So wrap it up and then to your pan. So guys, we're going to be heating them up, okay? We don't want to eat it cold. Having it warm, hot is fine. So heat it up in your pan. At this point, we are checking. Watch it closely, okay? It can easily get burnt, so don't go anywhere. Watch it closely. At this point, guys, we are flipping the other side, making sure they are evenly heated, okay? At this point, guys, they are ready, yes. So, guys, come with me. Let's test it together. So you place it on your chopping board. Use your knife to divide it. Cut it open, just like this. Oh my. Guys, look at what we have here. The end result. It is looking so good. Dividing another one. How do you like enjoying yours? Hot or cold? Let me know in the comment section. Oh my, if you have been following me, you will know that I love eating my food hot. So guys, look at how it's looking. Are you going to give this recipe a go? Please do and enjoy this goodie. So this is me devouring it. Guys, it tastes so good. I wish you can have a taste of it. So yummy, guys. Give it a go, okay? Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking, and if you enjoyed it, please leave me a nice comment, like, and as well share to your families, friends, and loved ones for them to try it out also. Thank you guys.